If you want to make a profile card on Instagram, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, go ahead and open up your Instagram app. All right. Now what you're gonna do, go ahead and click your profile icon or profile picture at the bottom right, and click share profile. And you're gonna see right here, this is your profile card. Now, if you want to basically, without the need to do anything actually, so you don't need to do anything, make sure that just you updated the app to the latest version. Now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna just go ahead and see right here the tools at the bottom, right? We're gonna just, sorry for that. I'm gonna go back and see right here the tool, swipe left, yeah, and you're gonna see download. Click download right here. You're gonna see two options, QR code or profile card video. You're gonna click profile card video, and now you just made your profile card video, and you're gonna be able to find it on your files right here. So you're gonna be able right here to see it, right? And you can be able to see how to flip it. So let's turn on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.